Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Audio-Technica ATH-TWX7 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on the Bluetooth on these earphones. So there's two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting if you cannot get these earbuds to pair, or if they are not syncing or not connecting to your phone or Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or out of the right ear, so only one ear is working. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just any kind of situation where you want to wipe everything off of them so that you can set them up basically like they're a brand new set of earbuds coming out of the box for the first time. So all we need to do is we're just going to go ahead and put our earbuds in the case as shown here, and we should have our indicator lights on. They should have a decent charge on the earbuds, and then all we're going to do is come in and we're going to press and hold the buttons simultaneously on the back. And after about 4 seconds, you'll see the indicator lights on the earbuds turn orange. And we're just going to ignore that and just keep on holding, keep on holding, keep on holding. And after about 10 seconds, those lights will start to flash orange. Once they flash orange, that means the reset is complete. We can stop touching the buttons, take the earbuds out, and now we're going to want to remove the old pairing from our phone if we've had them paired with that phone in the past, and pair them like a brand new set of earbuds.